If you love cooking pasta, steaming vegetables, or preparing delicious homemade soups, this cook-and-home 4-piece 8-quart multi-pot stainless steel pasta cooker steamer is a kitchen essential you shouldn't overlook. This high-quality stainless steel multi-pot set is designed to simplify your cooking process while delivering exceptional performance and versatility. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this stainless steel pasta pot is built to make meal preparation effortless and enjoyable. In this detailed review, we'll dive deep into its key features, benefits, and overall performance, so you can decide whether this multi-pot is the right fit for your kitchen. Let's get started. Top features of the Cook-and-Home 4-piece 8-quart multipots. Number 1. Premium stainless steel construction. Made from 1810 mirror-polished stainless steel, this pasta pot set is not only durable, but also resistant to rust, staining, and warping. The aluminum disc bottom ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Built to last, this high-quality stainless steel pasta cooker is an investment that will serve you for years to come. Number 2. 4-piece versatile set for multiple cooking needs. This pasta cooking set includes 8-quart stockpot, ideal for boiling pasta, making soups and stews. Steamer insert, perfect for steaming vegetables, seafood, or dumplings. Pasta insert pot allows easy straining of pasta without additional tools. Tempered glass lid with steam vent lets you monitor your cooking without lifting the lid. Number 3. Multifunctionality for ultimate convenience. Ideal for cooking spaghetti, fettuccine, macaroni, or any pasta without the need for an extra colander. The steamer basket is great for steaming vegetables, seafood, dumplings, and even tamales. The 8-quart stockpot is large enough for soups, stocks, and chili, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Number 4. Ergonomic handles for secure grip. Riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing the risk of spills. Wide and deep handle design ensures easy lifting and maneuverability. Number 5. Compatible with all stovetops. Works on gas, electric, ceramic, halogen, and induction stovetops. Versatile enough for home kitchens, dorms, and professional settings. Dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. What makes this pasta cooker stand out? Superior heat distribution for even cooking. One of the biggest problems with many pasta pots is uneven heating, which can lead to undercooked or overcooked food. Thanks to the aluminum disc bottom, the Cook-and-Home 8-quart pasta pot ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and providing consistently cooked meals. Effortless straining with the built-in pasta insert. No more struggling with colanders. The pasta insert allows you to drain pasta easily without needing a separate strainer, reducing mess and saving time. Simply lift the insert and the water drains away while keeping your pasta perfectly in place. Transparent cooking with tempered glass lid. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent is a game changer. It allows you to monitor your food without lifting the lid, keeping moisture and heat trapped inside for better cooking results. Space-saving design and easy storage. Despite being a large-capacity multi-pot, the nesting design makes it easy to store. The stackable components fit perfectly into each other, making it ideal for kitchens with limited cabinet space. Pros and cons of the Cook-and-Home 4-piece multi-pots. Pros: high-quality stainless steel construction, durable, rust-resistant, and long-lasting. Even heat distribution, eliminates hot spots and ensures well-cooked meals. Multi-purpose functionality, works as a pasta pot, steamer, and stock pot. Tempered glass lid with vent, lets you monitor food without lifting the lid. Induction compatible and dishwasher safe, versatile and easy to clean. Space-saving, stackable design, great for small kitchens. Cons: lid handle can get hot. Using oven mitts is recommended. Large size may not be ideal for small families, best suited for batch cooking or larger meals. Final verdict: is it worth buying? The Cook-and-Home 4-piece 8-quart multi-pot stainless steel pasta cooker steamer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Whether you're boiling pasta, steaming veggies, or preparing soups, this multifunctional cookware set delivers top-notch performance, durability, and convenience. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile, and budget-friendly pasta cooking solution, this pasta pot set with strainer lid is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.